What's up, guys? How you doing? I'm Jay coming at you. Today, I'm gonna show you a video on the setting up of the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see, this phone over here is actually beautiful. I'm very impressed of how Realme actually was able to make such a phone, and I'm still experiencing things on this phone, and I'm quite actually impressed on the camera, on the zoom, ultra wide, on the spec. The macro is beautiful. The screen is great. So overall, hardware wise, everything is perfect, guys. Everything is perfect. I really love it, especially the dual speakers. This is probably be the best budget phone of 2019. Period. Nothing better than this phone, guys. If you're going for Android, you cannot find a better option than uh, the Realme X2 Pro. So let's start with the setting, guys. First, you have to sign in with your account. Once you sign in, you have this kind of dashboard. So everything, a lot of things being put here. Not much, differences. So let me just put it on night mode, or what is it? Um, 1 second. Um, night shield, night shield. So the color will be better for your eyes. You can see better colors here. Anyways, back to the phone. This phone has been set up to be in dark mode, better for eyes, better for viewing. Anyway, so once you open it, sign in with the account. Airplane mode, stereo ways. You have the airplane mode, and what's next here is that you can. 1 second, I didn't set up my fingerprint. So airplane mode, dual SIM, and cellular. As you can see, you can use Wi-Fi and cellular network. You can combine Wi-Fi and 4G at the same time to get the best network speed network. So network connection, control, and databases. So let me show you what else we have here. Wi-Fi. You can connect to the Wi-Fi. You can have dual Wi-Fi speed up. So you can connect two Wi-Fi networks at the same time, speed up internet. Excuse me, my bad. Not 4G and Wi-Fi, just two dual Wi-Fi's. You have it. If you have two Wi-Fi's, which is crazy fast. Bluetooth, you have a Bluetooth, and this is just from the setting itself. There's nothing, no small box or main box you can get in is find all these setter or these Wi-Fi Bluetooth setup network setup, but you're gonna find it here. Let me just reduce the brightness a little bit. One thing more about the screen is very bright, around 500 brightness point, like really gets really bright. So I had to dim down the lights. Anyways, back to the phone. Other wireless connections, what you have extra here is you have personal hotspot, you have USB tethering, you have Bluetooth tethering, you have NFC, and you have tap to pay, Android Beam, you have Wide Direct, you have Screencast, which have VPN, and you can cast it to your screen. No issues at all. So a lot of options here we have, and also let's go to the notification and status bar. So once you go in, you have battery percentage. I show my battery percentage over here. Oops, went back. So you have the battery percentages over here. As you can see, inside the battery, show real-time network speed. I have it here, network speed, as you can see, with kilobytes and megabytes. Notification icon, so you can show your notifications. Display notification, draw lock screen. You have also show data usage. Swipe down for home screen access. So what actually does when it comes to this option over here is you can just straight up does this. So swipe down, you don't need to reach the top of the screen in order to get to the options here. And notification, excuse me, show banner notification full screen, notification dot for updates. So this is notification dot. Like every application, we have a small dot on top of it that shows you there is some updates going on. I actually let it be on. Let's go back, notification, display brightness. You can just change the brightness, as you can see. You can change the front. Nothing really. We have the night shield. This is where it actually enabled now. You can turn it off. This is night shield. You can do it, or you can do it through the notification screen. Low brightness, flicker free eye. So reduce the visual fatigue caused by screen flicker at low screen brightness. Hmm, interesting. Let's put it on. I never actually went through this. So there's a lot of things in this one. Now, what is this, guys? OSIE vision effect. So here, as you can see, it gives you like Consumption will increase when you function, continue function. So I don't know what is this. So when you turn it on, I don't know. There's some options going in here. Let's just wait. Yeah, it's something that actually could improve the picture or something. But for now, I cannot comment on this because I don't know. I tried to understand it. I couldn't. Uh, let's go back and see what else we have. Home screen, lock screen. We have sound and vibration. So home screen, lock screen. You have the theme, wallpapers. There are some cool stuff. You have the drawer mode. You can have it on drawer mode, or you can just do it to swipe. It's up to you. A lot of customization, nice customization by Realme. Shout out to Realme and Xiaomi, excuse me, not Xiaomi. Xiaomi not doing good actually. Yeah, I prefer Realme right now. I'm big fan of Realme after this phone. Now, device and privacy. Here you can set up your security code and all that stuff. Battery. Once you get the battery, you have a straight up in your face a dashboard here. So it shows you the used 2 days, 22 hours, a minute. So it shows you how much time been used. Also shows you the screen on time, which is as you can see here, it's 8 hour and 56 minutes, which is kind of crazy with this how long this battery has been done, and available for 1 day and 26 minutes. So this is how you should. So power saving mode, I put it on. Power usage shows you everything. Performance mode. So once you click on the performance mode, you can check smart performance mode or high performance. It's gonna overclock your CPU for better performance, but also gonna consume your battery even further. So that's a good thing about the battery. Once you open the battery, you see a dashboard straight away. You need to do like double or triple clicks to get into it. Uh, Digital well-being is a we all know what the digital well-being from Android. So I need to go inside it. So you can you know what digital being, guys. You use it tells you what time you be spending in what app, or you know just go just go type in digital well-being Android 10 and you will find a lot of information. It takes a lot. But let's go with the language and region. So language and region, click Saudi Arabia, of course. It's my country. So language, English, and we have additional setting. Oh, additional setting, a lot of additional setting here. So we have storage. It tells you the storage. So I have a 20 to 256 gigabytes, and I use 7 gigas, available 3.5, and yeah, it tells you what the storage here, and date and time, keyboard input and method. You can choose your security keyboard and internet password. You can use Google keyboard. I didn't actually use the Google keyboard. You can change the theme of the keyboard. You can do a lot of stuff, cool stuff. Just go there and find out by yourself. And we have the search, application, content, message. So your major search kind of search for all these things. You can manipulate and put it to a single thing, but you can just go there and customize it. Download management. So download management tells you what you just downloaded. Obviously, you can see the Google camera I did download. Oh, I forgot that you need to swipe left. All right, so that's it about the additional setting. Now, software update. As you can see, this is the latest software update. This is the Color OS 6.1 Android 9. And waiting for Android 10 update soon. They're gonna drop it, I believe, in March. That's what you mentioned, or maybe hopefully before March, we're gonna get the update. I mean, Realme should just work on it. About this phone, let's get into it. This is Realme extra model number. Uh, Snapdragon 855 Plus, 12 gigabyte of RAM, and that's about it. Security is December 5th, 2019. And what's next here? You have the Google account. We have the app management. We have app clone. You can have dual app application and app management. You can go deal with all application. Whatever app, security app, you can have disable access to all your stuff from the app management. Game space, here you can just add your games and could improve a lot of stuff. So I'll do a separate video for gaming for this phone. Split screen, you can just go to the split screen, add split screen, or swipe up with 3 fingers. You can just do your customization over here. And you have the system app. This is the stuff like bloatware that comes with the phone. Don't bother with it. Anyways, guys, this is all we have in the phone. Realme X2 Pro is an awesome phone. I'm looking forward to dive deep into it. Thank you guys for watching the video, and see you guys later.